Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to use tag dating app. So if you're a beginner, and this video will help you guide on how it actually works and how to use it. So to begin with, first thing we have to install it. So head towards your Play Store, and on the search box you wanna go ahead and type in tag dating app. When you type in tag, you'll be able to see this is the one. Click the install button and wait for the application to be completely installed. Once it is installed, click the open button. Now you need to register for the account. So either you want to go ahead and continue with your Google, or you could also find other option. Press that. You could go with your Facebook, email, or Apple. So I'm going to go ahead and manually type in my email address. So now enter in the email address that you want to go ahead and mention, or that you want to add it. Next thing, create a password. And then give a name, add your date of birth, and click the OK button. Once it is done, now make sure to give a gender, make sure to select the gender as well, and select the country where you're actually residing on. Now you need to click on the create or continue button, and this way you'll have successfully created your account. Once you've created your account, it's time for you to set your profile. So then you could go ahead and upload a photo, add a bio, give a description, all that, and that way you'll be able to use tag dating app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.